Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today I will be sharing with you how I achieved this party makeup look. So without wasting our time, let's get started. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will prep my skin first, and for that I'm using Good Vibes toner. After that I'm using Good Vibes rosehip oil. Okay, I will mention every product in the description box, so if you want you can check that out. Okay, next I'm using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer to moisturize my face. As you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I will do my eye makeup, and for that I'm using L'Oreal Paris concealer, and I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids and blending the concealer with the help of a beauty blender. Next, to set my eyelid, I'm using a very light pinkish eyeshadow. Okay, next I'm taking a black eyeshadow, and as you can see I'm applying the eyeshadow on the outer corner and inner corner of my eyelid, and I'm connecting the line and I keep the center empty. After that I am blending the eyeshadow with a blending brush. Next I'm taking a deep brown color and I'm applying the deep brown color on the black eyeshadow so that it gives a prominent look. Next I'm taking this light brown color to blend the eyeshadow. So as we all know that blending is the key of doing any kind of eye makeup. Like the more we blend our eyeshadow, the more our eye makeup look flawless, the more our eye makeup look beautiful. So after blending my eyeshadows properly, now I'm taking a light cream color and I am applying the color to blend the edges of my eyeshadow and to give a smooth effect on my eye makeup, and I'm doing the same on another eye. Okay, so next I will make a cut crease on the center of my eyelid, and that's why I keep the center of my eyelid empty. To make the cut crease, here I'm using the same L'Oreal Paris concealer. I will mention the shade number in the description box. If you want you can check that out. Okay, so after making the cut crease, I'm blending the concealer very light handedly. Okay, now I'm taking this silver glittery color and I'm applying the color on the center of my eyelid, like the area where I make the cut crease. And as you can see, my dress is in black and silver color, so that's why I choose this eye makeup, and the eye makeup turns really well. Okay, next here I'm slowly blending the silver color with the black eyeshadow so that it doesn't create any separate line, and I'm using a very light hand here. Okay, so now I'm using Stay Quirky liquid eyeliner, and I'm not making very thick or very thin eyeliner. I'm just making a medium volume eyeliner today, as you can see. Okay, next I'm using Stay Quirky Kajal to line my lower waterline. Okay, so next here I'm smudging the kajal with a black eyeshadow. Next I'm taking this light brown color and I'm applying the color under the area where I smudged the kajal. So our eye makeup is done. Now here I'm cleaning all the fallouts with wet wipes. After that for the face I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I will mention the shade number in the description box. If you want, you can check that out. So after blending the foundation, next here I'm using the same concealer by L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so now here I'm baking my face and I'm using a banana powder. You can use banana powder or loose powder that you have, and here I'm dusting off all the powder. Next, to contour my face, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics contour powder. Okay, next I'm taking a pinkish blush from the Revlon palette and it's a very sweet pink color. Okay, now to highlight my face I'm choosing a highlighter from the same Revlon palette and it's a golden highlighter, and I'm applying the highlighter on all the highest point of my face, center of my nose, my forehead, cupid's bow. Okay, so next I am also applying some highlighter on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. Next I am using a mascara. Okay, next to line up my lip, here I am using a lipstick by Swiss Beauty. I will mention the shade number in the description box. Now for the middle section I am using Revlon liquid lipstick. It's a nude color lipstick. I will mention the shade number in the description box. After that I am using a lip gloss and you can see how my lips are looking. It's so glossy. Okay, next to set the entire makeup I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. And here you can see the final result.